Kia ora. It's that time of the year. Sun, beach and Santa. Woohoo!
But there are a lot more people out there on the roads, so think about road safety this summer.
Mate, I feel like this fits in perfectly.
Nah, man. We don't want this kayak ending up in someone else's lap. Let me show you how it's done. Don't cut corners and always secure that load properly.
Hey brother, you know you're forgetting something, eh?
Oh, my phone, my wallet, oh, my belt. Cheers, bro.
Sweet brother. Make sure that you and everyone travelling with you are buckled in safe.
I can see the traffic conditions from up here, but you should check them before heading out on your journey.
There's enough space between you and the car in front to fit 50 diggers, mate.
But being a good sort means that you'll never tailgate another driver.
Changing lanes while not paying attention can also cause a bad accident. Might be holiday time out there for you, but all of our teammates are still working out there.
Drive to the speed limit at construction sites and a thumbs up never hurts.
I'm not going to break any speed limits on this thing, so just slow down and drive to the conditions.
Make sure you check your speed regularly and ensure you're travelling at a safe speed.
Even though you may not always love your e-road device, your e-road loves you. Think of it as a bonus gift to help keep you safe this summer.
Imagine the mess I could make if I spilt this. If you're taking hazardous substances out on the road this summer, you need to know how to handle them.
Hey, don't tell my husband his barbecue sauce is a hazardous substance.
Speaking of substances, you shouldn't be driving if you're taking any sort of drugs or if you've been drinking alcohol.
But it is a good idea to drink plenty of water on your journey.
And make sure you're not hungry before heading off on a long road trip. Pack a few snacks.
And have regular rest stops too.
Being able to multitask is a good thing. Most of the time, but it's not a good idea when you're driving.
This counts for phones too.
So keep your eyes on the road and concentrate only on the road.
Nice one.